how to buy SyncVault token. So this token came under the symbol of SVTS. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amounts description. Now before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, now this token is available on MEXC. So go on MEXC, as you can see. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go and create one. You will be able to find the referral link down in the description. You can get free rewards. So if you create an account and read, so create an account on MEXC and fund with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund with some USDT, what you need to do, go and open your account on MEXC, go back to this token page and copy the symbol of that token that's called SVTS. So copy it, go and here in search, just paste it, wait a few seconds to be able to see this pair and click on it. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see, this is the trade page. So after that, click on buy and select the limit. Here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy SVTS. So if you click on market, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token, and click on buy SVTS, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy SVTS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.